What's up, guys? This is my product review for my 2-week update using the Last Coat product. As you guys can see, my paint is super shiny, very reflective, very clean, and my favorite, very smooth. Smooth as glass. I applied this to a couple of friends' cars as well, and they just adored the results that they got. They said the paint was like glass. As you guys can see, my wheels are also coated. Very, very shiny. One of my favorite things about this product is how it brings the paint out, brings it completely back to life, and it does not streak. And I will show you guys that in a moment. So, if we went to the door jamb, which has not much, but a little bit of dirt. Spray one spray. You're gonna lightly take the rag and go right through. Do a double pass, make sure that it's very clean. And there you go. No streaks, no problems. Go around to this side. You can see the reflection. You can see the rims looking shiny. Spray a little bit on the fender. No streak whatsoever. 1 or 2 wipes. Flip the rag over. I coated up my headlights too, because they are not wrapped, so the headlights are now coated up. I highly, highly, highly recommend the Last Coat.